Low-carb biscuits. Low-carb biscuits are a great option for those who are watching their carbohydrate intake. Ingredients: 2 cups almond flour, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/3 cup cold butter, cubed, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup heavy cream. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the almond flour, baking powder, and salt until well combined. Add the cubed butter to the bowl and use a pastry cutter or your fingers to mix the butter into the flour mixture until it resembles coarse crumbs. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs and heavy cream until well combined. Pour the egg mixture into the bowl with the flour mixture and use a wooden spoon or spatula to mix everything together until a dough forms. Using your hands, shape the dough into 8 to 10 evenly sized biscuits and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake the biscuits for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are golden brown on top. Remove the biscuits from the oven and allow them to cool for a few minutes before serving. Enjoy your delicious and low-carb biscuits.